Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your savings with SoFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your savings with SoFi, start by downloading the SoFi app. Create your account by providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's layout. Locate the savings account section in the menu. Choose the type of savings account that suits you best. Review the interest rates and benefits associated with each option. Set a savings goal to motivate your efforts. Use the goal setting feature to track your progress. Transfer funds from your checking account into your SoFi savings account. Consider setting up automatic transfers for consistent saving. Monitor your account regularly to check your balance and interest earned. Explore additional financial tools offered by SoFi, like budgeting and investing. Adjust your savings strategy as needed based on your financial situation. Remember to utilize the educational resources provided within the app. Stay disciplined and consistent with your saving practices. Celebrate your milestones to keep your motivation high. With these steps, you'll be on your way to effectively scaling your savings with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.